Good job. Now we need to be more accurate with this so that they interlock correctly. Let's choose a side view and we'll get in close. We're going to need to smush this proportion a little bit using the blue scale. And then we want to look at a couple things. We want this corner to touch this edge. So let's bring that up. And then we want this bottom corner to touch this edge. So now we can rotate it. This should give us enough space for another piece to come the opposite way. If you need to make some minor adjustments, go ahead and do that. I'm also going to shrink the scale just a little bit. Okay, let's make a copy of this one. Shift D and then type X, and it will bring it along that axis. Look at it from this angle and then rotate yours all the way around. Bring it over and drop it down. And then make some other adjustments so that your bottom edge matches up with that corner and your top edge matches up with that corner. You can be close enough and that should be good. I'm going to push mine over a little bit and pull it out so that it fits up nicely. Now let's look at it from the top. Those look like they will fit. Let's double check. From out here, click and drag, and you'll select everything. Hit Shift D, and then type X again, and you can bring these pieces over. We'll double check to see that they'll interlock, and I think that they will. One thing we want to be sure of is that we have enough space so that they can go in and interlock without ramming into each other. Now, if you want more space in there, we can do that. Hit delete, and we'll select these and turn them off temporarily. This is just the visibility. Now we can select this object, go to edit mode, choose the plane selection, and we can move this around. Let's turn this one back on, and it looks like it'll be okay. However, we need to make these a little bit longer. Let's go back to object mode, select on this object. We'll turn off the visibility of this one, and we'll be able to see these from the top. Select this one, go to edit mode, we'll grab that and we'll pull it down. We'll grab this and we'll pull it down. Back to object mode, select this one, edit mode again, object mode one last time, and we'll turn this on and see how it looks. These are going to work really well.